Hey, what's poppin', everybody? So I am back with another daily video. Yes, we are doing this. So today I'm going to be showing you how I transform this Kanekalon here to these cool curls. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, so I'm starting off with regular Xpression here, as you can see, and it's in the color 30. I never use color 30, but because I saw how pretty it looked on, I forgot her name. It looks so pretty on her. I think we're like the same complexion, so if it looked really good on her, I guess it would look good on me. This is how ridiculously long it is. I'm gonna cut it in half like this, and then each half I'm gonna cut in half. So we're gonna end up with 4 pieces. Okay, and now I'm just going to feather the ends. This is how it's looking. I know, absolutely crazy, but do not panic. All you gotta do is take a good old paddle brush and whip that out. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is just take whatever leave-in conditioner you want to use. This is not really a leave-in, this is just like a curl cream, but just use anything that's moisturizing to just make the hair a little bit more soft. Alright, so now I'm taking about this size. Then we're gonna take our FLEXI rod. I'm gonna twirl it as I twist it around, okay? Just to keep this like extra firm, I'm going to use this amazing mousse that my mom just bought, and oh my gosh, I'm kind of obsessed with it right now. It's my first time using it and it's amazing, and it's from TRESEMME. So we still got the flyaways, but at least like the hair that's wrapped around the FLEXI rod should be very, very firm. So you have 4 sections, and each section is going to give you 7 FLEXI rods. And guys, this is so quick and easy. Like, I'm almost done. Like, this is so quick. Okay, now I'm just gonna take some boiling hot water and pour it onto these FLEXI rods. And this is what's gonna curl it. I'm gonna drain off the water, and then I'm gonna let them dry overnight, and then this is what we're dealing with. It almost looks like the Jamaican bounce. So I just split it into 5 pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and crochet in. I'm sure y'all already know how to crochet, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this. I forgot to mention the cap. So I'm using technically the wrong cap. This is just a cap you're supposed to wear under a wig, but the reason why I didn't buy the crochet cap is because my beauty supply store was getting a little bougie on me, and they were selling that cap for like a little bit too expensive. It was almost like 10 bucks. So I was like, no. So I just bought this instead for $1.99. It's not a crochet cap, but it has holes in it, and I think it's gonna work, so we'll just try it out and I'll let you know. I just got a little tear, so this is clearly not the best for this, but I think it's still gonna work. So try and be gentle with it if you use this. I still have a whole section left because this is 7 FLEXI rods, so I guess I'll come back and do another video with these to show you guys another style you could do with this hair. Thumbs up if you'd like me to do that. and I'll post it as soon as possible. If not, well, okay. Boo! This is what we got right now. I can barely see anything, so we're about to like start cutting it. What did I do? I'm pretty sure I followed all the steps correctly. I don't know. What? Alright, here's the thing. The technique worked great. Super, super cool. But this color on me is a no, sis. This makes me look like a clown. But it looked so good on her. Like, I can't even tell you how good it looked on her. It just looked so good. Actually, you can go see for yourself. I'll leave her link in the description box below. Oh my gosh, leave it to Ariel to just mess up a perfect thing. Oh my gosh. I mean, it didn't take me any time to do this, so I don't feel bad. I don't feel mad because this was like super quick and easy. I don't know what I messed up. I'm so sorry. Like, y'all please go watch her video. Just go watch her video because she killed it. I murdered it in a bad sense. I killed it in the actual meaning of killed. Not the hood meaning, not the cool meaning. The real, authentic Collins Dictionary British meaning of the word kill. That's what I did. She did it in the Urban Dictionary way. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video here because I don't want you to keep on looking at me. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Alright, let's try and get a good thumbnail so y'all could actually click this video.